Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan selamat sejahtera. So we will continue discuss our tutorial question, and this is question number 2. So let's read the question together. A sulfuric acid solution contain 571.4 gram of sulfuric acid per liter of solution, has a density of 1.329 gram per ml. Calculate the molality of sulfuric acid in this solution. So based on the question, the keyword is you have to find the molality of sulfuric acid. Alright, so as I mentioned previously, concentration of solution can be expressed in 5 different ways. The first one is molarity, the second one is molality. Okay, the symbol for molality is small letter M. Alright, so what is the information given? We are given the solution contain 571.4 gram per liter. So, and the density, okay, the solution has a density. Okay, this is another information. So first we need to write the information given. So we are given the mass solution, dia kata okay, the solution contain 571 gram of sulfuric acid per liter. In 1 liter solution we have 571.4 gram sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is our solute, and of course our solvent is water, and the solution form is sulfuric acid solution. So our mass solute is mass of sulfuric acid, which is 571.4 gram, because 571.4 gram dissolved in 1 liter solution. So volume of the solution automatically 1 liter. The next information given is the density of solution. For density, you have to be careful. Either, since it is mentioned that there's density of solution, so density, the formula is mass. Since it is solution, so we have to put mass solution over volume solution. So previously we always mentioned that density is equal to mass over volume. Now we elaborate mass of solution and volume of solution. So anything else that we can insert the value? Oh, we already have the density value, which is 1.329 gram per ml. Okay, and we want to calculate the molality. And what is the formula for molality? Molality, the formula is mole of solute divided by mass of solvent. What is our solvent? Water in kg. So let's look at the information given and try to suit with the formula. We need to calculate the mole of solute. Can we determine the mole of solute based on the information that we have? Yes, we already have the mass of solute. From the mass of solute, we can calculate mole solute is equal to mass solute over molar mass. 571.4 gram divided by the molar mass for sulfuric acid, 98 gram per mole. From there you can have 5.83 mole. This is the number of mole. What is our problem now? We already have this but we don't have the mass of the solvent. We have the mass of solute, and also we have a formula that relate with the mass of solution. Okay, another formula that you have to remember is mass of solution is equal to mass solute plus mass solvent. This is another formula that you have to remember. Do you have the mass of the solute? Yes, 571.4. You can determine the mass of the solution based on the density, since this formula related with the mass of the solution. Okay, so to solve this, we can I will solve the problem here. So density solution equal to mass solution over volume solution. The density of solution that we have is 1.329 gram per ml. We want to determine the mass of solution. What is the volume of the solution? Okay, the volume of the solution that we have is in liter, but the unit for our density is milliliter. So we have to convert liter to milliliter. From there, you can get mass solution times 1000 become 1329 gram. Okay, can you determine the mass of the solvent? Yes, we can. Mass solvent is equal to, this is the value, 1329 gram minus mass of the solute is already given in the question, and we will get 757.6 gram. Can you determine the molality now? We already have the mass of solvent. So now we can insert the value molality. I will scroll it back. It's equal to 5.83 mole divided by, okay, now look at the unit for your mass solvent. It is in gram, but the formula required the mass in kilogram. So what we have to do is we have to convert gram to kilogram. 757.6 gram over 1000, and you will get 7.69. The unit is molal, or you can use the unit mole per kg or mole K per kg. Okay, you can choose any one of it. Okay, so let's recap how to solve the problem. First, we need to list down all the information given. You have to identify which is your solution, and then if you are given the density, make sure you identify, is it a solution, solvent or solute, right? And then this is another formula that you have to remember. Okay, this is one formula, and this is another one formula that you have to remember. Okay, mass of solution is equal to mass solute plus mass solvent. And finally, don't forget to put the unit of the molality. Okay. Another thing that students always make a mistake is they forget to convert the mass of the solvent into kilogram. If you straight away insert the value 757.6 gram, your answer will be wrong. Alright, so I think that's all for this question. We will continue with the next tutorial question after this. Thank you.